the crowning achievement of Britain's Queen Elizabeth, who died on Thursday after 70 years on the throne, was to maintain the popularity of the monarchy across decades of seismic political, social and cultural change that threatened to make it an anachronism. A dignified, dependable figure who reigned longer than any other British monarch, Elizabeth helped steer the institution into the modern world, stripping away court ritual and making it somewhat more accessible, all in the glare of an increasingly intrusive and often hostile media. Elizabeth Alexandra Mary was born on April 21, 1926 at 17 Bruton Street in central London. The young princess never expected to ascend to the throne. It was only after her uncle King Edward VIII abdicated in 1936 because of his love for American divorcee Wallis Simpson, that the crown passed to her father, George VI, when she was 10. She was just 25 when her father died and she became Queen Elizabeth II on February 6, 1952. Her marriage to Philip, a Greek prince she wed aged 21, stayed solid for 73 years until his death in April 2021. At first, Elizabeth relied heavily on her father's old circle of advisors, but gradually she brought in more career diplomats and business executives to the royal court as she and her husband Philip sought to modernize their monarchy. In September 2015, she overtook Victoria to become the country's longest ever reigning monarch, an achievement to which she said she had never aspired, and the following year there were more celebrations for her 90th birthday. She remained the monarch of 15 countries and head of the Commonwealth.